A new version of Esign for iPhone and iPad has just been released. And this one is completely different from the old method. In this video, I'm going to show you what changed, why this new version is better, and how you can use it to install IPA files on your iPhone without computer and without jailbreak. So if your old Esign method stopped working, or you want a faster and easier way to install apps, this is the guide you need. So if you want to install IPA files, make sure to watch this video until the end, because one wrong step can make it not work. Now let's install the new Esign on your iPhone. First, open Safari on your device. Then go to applejr.net. Check the link on description. On the home page, scroll down until you find the Esign section. Here you will see multiple Esign versions or certificates. Choose one of them. I recommend using the latest or most stable version. Before installing Esign, make sure to install the applejr DNS profile first. Tap Install DNS button. A pop-up will appear. Just tap Allow. Once downloaded, now open your settings. At the top, tap Profile Downloaded. Then tap Install on the top right. Enter your passcode if required, and tap Install again to confirm. Once finished, tap Done. Once the DNS is installed, now go back to the website. Now you will see two Esign versions available. One is the old version, and one is the new Esign 2026 version. So I'm going to test both versions and show you what's different. Just tap the Install button. After that, wait a few seconds, and the app will begin installing on your home screen. Once it's downloaded, don't open it yet. You need to verify it first. Otherwise, Esign will not open, and it may show an untrusted developer message. First, open your settings. Scroll down and go to General. Hit VPN and Device Management. Inside here, you will see a developer profile that was installed along with Esign. Now you will see a button that says Trust. Tap Trust. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Just tap Trust and restart. It's recommended to restart your device to make sure everything is applied properly. Wait a few moments while your device restarts. Once your iPhone turns back on, you may see a message ready to install profile. Then swipe up and install the profile. Once the profile is installed, you can now open Esign without any issue. Now let's test both Esign versions and see the real difference. First, on the old Esign version, before you can install any IPA files, you need to import a certificate manually. That means you have to import certificate manually. So the old method takes more time and can be a bit confusing for beginners. On the new Esign, you'll notice the new interface is much cleaner and easier to use. And the biggest difference is the certificate is already included, so you don't need to import anything manually. Just import your IPA and install. Now let's install an IPA file using the new Esign. Then, tap the three dots on the top right corner. Then tap Import Files. Now choose your IPA file from your Files app. Make sure the IPA is already downloaded on your device. Tap the file to import it into Esign. Then tap Import to App Library. Once the IPA is imported, tap on the app icon inside Esign. Now tap Sign. Wait a few moments while Esign signs the app. Once signing is complete, you will see the option to install. Now just wait until it finishes, and your app is ready to use. So that's the new Esign iOS 2026 method. And if you have any questions, just drop a comment below. I'll try to help you.